My truck tent?
Wait, you actually got a truck tent?
Was that a
I
dog?
thought that's something.
Everybody needs to hydrate.
We gotta
Online.
hydrate.
Everybody hydrate. And most people are 70% water. Jonathan is 70% sweet tea.
Accurate. Where do you think you're going, Juliet?
Hyena Gaming.
He's
Oh.
tech support for all
Damn it,
gas hydrants.
Juliet.
Exactly, damn it.
I know. I freaking know.
What is happening?
Y'all just y'all just go.
There goes them hyena boys again.
Is this real life right now?
Wait, CJ, where's the other voice? Why is that one not going?
Okay, John. You gotta make a shot.
John, you
I
gotta
gotta
take
make
a
a
shot.
shot?
I just spent 1,500 points.
Is someone getting killed? Was that a dog?
Gas
Is he
Hyena
dying?
Gaming.
The fuck?
I'm
Did I just hear OnlyFans?
Gas
Is that-
hyena gaming.
Damn it.
Isn't that the cow off Barnyard?
That's the guy.
Hyena Gaming.
The fuck? Sometimes, Juliet, I just wake up disappointed and wonder why.
Gas Hyena
then-
Gaming.
That happens, and
Damn it, Juliet.
is that Morgan Freeman? Damn it, Juliet. Not me.
Wait, he hasn't heard this one yet.
Leviosa.
The fuck? Does that go with that other one about Gas Hyena Gaming?
Yet another L.
My dude is speechless.
I just feel like I should cowboy up and talk to him and just talk about I almost feel like I'm back home. Gas Hyena
There
Gaming.
goes them
Yep.
hyena boys again.
What them boys doing?
Fatality.
Jesus.
Man. I used up so many of my points.
Someone
now.
just. Oh, you don't need to check some pants? Like, what just. Why is there so much chaos in my ear right now?
Oscar, get to the chopper.
What is wrong with Arnold?